Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Messages and choosing the Animoji/sticker icon to enter Genmoji mode. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 17 or later and that Genmoji is available. Once done, grant camera and microphone permissions so the avatar can mirror expressions and voice. Position yourself in even light and a neutral background to improve tracking. Then calibrate by following the on-screen prompts. Look straight, smile, and speak a short phrase so the system captures your baseline movements. Next, record a short clip between 5 and 15 seconds while expressing varied emotions so the Genmoji learns range. As you record, speak clearly, the audio trains lip sync, and use gestures for head movement. Once recorded, move to customization. Use facial sliders to fine-tune eye openness, mouth shape, and eyebrow position. Adjust voice pitch or timing if available. Then layer visual elements like stickers or text, and use the preview function to check sync, timing, and overall look. To finish, export your Genmoji as a video or GIF, or send it directly through Messages using the share sheet. Choose resolution and format if prompted. Make sure to name or tag the file for easy retrieval. If lip sync seems off, recalibrate. Improve lighting, remove face obstructions, and re-record the baseline sequence. If the app glitches, force close Messages, restart the phone, and confirm iOS updates. Then reopen Genmoji and try exporting again to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.